Information Center of Rights NGO has been implementing program Free Legal Assistance to Servicemen from February of 2016. The results will be significant in the sense that how many people will be informed about this issue. And if we manage to raise the issue in the appropriate instances, then we'll see the results, alternative solutions, the proposed changes or solutions. In the result of implemented monitoring, the organization has found some problems in the system. We had such experience in the past. For instance, people arrive Goris from Gyumri and court session doesn't take place because of prosecutor or defense attorney. Or parents arrive Goris, they receive an answer that's sorry, but the session will not take place. This is a problem that is not solved till today. They say that they have a right not to participate in the session. For example, the prosecutor, the judge or the lawyer can bring a lot of legitimate reasons why they don't participate in the session, and that on that day they don't have an opportunity to participate in the session. Young lawyers participate in monitoring that participate in court sessions as observers. We worked for detection of information gaps targets. That was our job. For example, we were more interested in lawyer and client relations and in overall court atmosphere. Many consider institution of public defender successful, but there is still much work to be done. Public defenders as such have an advocate license. Now, question, either he is busy with advocacy and as such carries full processes, getting satisfaction, both financial and etc., or he is busy with public protection, is not involved in advocacy activity and gets punished. Now I understand, Oksana, that there is no money in the budget, but it's not a problem of the citizen. Citizen demands, he is a demander, taxes are paid, is their problem and there is low. Now let's say there are issues related to the salary, and she's not able to do that. I don't say Liana will be able to do it. Let's say somebody else arises an issue and is not able to manage it because he or she is not a good specialist, or because of something else, is already a different question. In the past, the public defenders were appointed by application, according to their own application, if there was a bilateral agreement. I cannot say exactly from when, but from the last year there was introduced a procedure, according to which public defenders are chosen by examination, and when they pass the examination, only after that they can work as a public defender. Only those public defenders don't pass this examination, I'm talking about working public defenders, who had a high rating in their fulfilled work. It means they had actival decisions. The majority of civil cases exceed the specified satisfied decisions. The privilege is in that public defender must be interested. If there is a desire to work, there is also an interest for having a positive result of all cases. In such case, the public defender will sign a contract for the next year too and will work or otherwise will not work. One of the recent problems is that sometimes appointed date and place of court session is changed without notification. Initially called is mentioned Court of General Jurisdiction of Syunik Province. Even there is mentioned the number of courtroom, but de facto it takes place in Stepanakert. There can be problems and difficulties, but court system is a structure which must be maximally law-binding and punctual. Հեղինե Վարդանյան, Ռազմիկ Պողոսյան, Syunik Online.